Fanless 13-inch notebooks are known for their low-noise, super slim design, coming in at a mere 11.3 mm thickness. But the downside has always been their thermal limit, passive heat removal supporting only 10 watts of sustained processor power. Using AirJet, the thermal solution can be improved to 20 watts in the same super slim design while keeping it silent. Each AirJet Mini runs at a silent 21 dBA, and through active heat removal adds 2.5 watts to the notebook's sustained processor power when implemented in an 8.1 mm base thickness notebook. 4 AirJet Minis equals 10 watts of active heat removal, and an 8.1 mm base plus a 3.2 mm display adds up to an 11.3 mm notebook thickness. These 10 watts of active heat removal combined with the 10 watts of passive heat removal inherent to the notebook equals 20 watts of sustained processor power supported. The 4 AirJet Mini solution runs at an acoustics of a silent 27 dBA. Thus, with the AirJet solution, the processor runs 100% faster without making the notebook thicker or noisy. Let's dig deeper into how these 4 AirJet Minis are designed into the notebook. First, a thermal solution subassembly is created with 4 AirJet Minis mounted on a vapor chamber, 2 AirJet Minis on either side. Second, the notebook PCB is shaped to accommodate the subassembly while ensuring the vapor chamber handle rests on top of the hot processor located at the center of the PCB. The vapor chamber acts as a superconductor, transporting heat from the processor to the 4 AirJet Minis. The notebook casing is designed with discrete air vents in the rear air inlet vent in the center, directly behind the processor, for cool ambient air to enter and exit vents directly behind the 4 AirJet Minis to facilitate easy ejection of hot air. No other air vents are needed anywhere else in the notebook casing, making for a sleek design. Moreover, thanks to AirJet's high back pressure, the inlet vent can be covered with air filter material, rendering the notebook dustproof. When activated, the 4 AirJet Minis generate a huge suction force, creating a strong airflow by pulling ambient air in through the inlet vent. The air rushes forward behind the back cover and the PCB, then wraps around to the keyboard side of the notebook and enters the 4 AirJet Minis. This movement of air inside the notebook helps keep the skin temperature low. Once air enters the 4 AirJet Minis, heat is efficiently transferred to the air inside the interior of the AirJet Minis. The hot air is then expelled out of the notebook through the rear exit vents. The 4 AirJet Mini solution increases the thermal limit to 20 watts, enabling the processor to run 100% faster without making the notebook thicker or noisy. Frore Systems. Do more.